so this is what they look like. They turned out so cute, and I just feel like the lightest shade of brown is gonna match my bed so good. So I'm super excited to hang them up. And I'm just really pleased on how these turned out. Put all the information in the description box so you guys can check them out and order yours. But y'all, they came framed and everything. Literally, like in a box, framed, came and arrived so well, no damage or anything. So I'm excited to hang them up.
Tell me what you're hiding deep in the waters where shadows creep. This is my electric confession burning.
All right guys, so this is what it looks like. I ended up moving my mattress obviously so that the paintings can get up there the way it needed to be, but I love the way it looks. Turned out super cute.